Pros and cons of fiber cement siding for Missouri homeowners are really, for the most part, all pros. Fiber cement's a great product. It is probably been on the market longer with the fewest amount of changes once it was introduced. It's a very solid product. You'll never have to worry about termite issues, obviously, with the fiber cement because it is, in essence, a concrete board. There are lots of different options for your home with fiber cement. There's straight and staggered shake, there's board and batten, there's different sheet goods, stucco finishes, lap siding, all kinds of things, different laps, profiles. It's a very versatile product and it really, really holds up well to Missouri weather. Fiber cement, like James Hardie for instance, has different zones. So they have different products for different zones in the United States. Missouri is kind of on the southern border of their HC5 zone. Which is what's engineered to withstand more of the ice and snow and things of that nature. So as long as the product is installed properly, there are very, very few downfalls. The tricky part about fiber cement is making sure that it's installed right on your home, and that's where the importance of picking the right contractor comes in. You have to know about head flashings, you have to know about clearances off roof lines and finish grades and stuff like that. It has a great warranty. It has great color warranties to it as well, so there are very few cons with James Hardie fiber cement. With any exterior renovation product that you use, the terms low maintenance or maintenance free get thrown around a lot. It's important to remember that nothing is maintenance free. Any product from vinyl to James Hardie to LP, everything is going to come with some maintenance, and that's just responsible upkeep as a homeowner to have someone come out, check up on caulking joints and things like that over the years. As long as those small things are done, it'll last a very long time. The cost over vinyl is really, though, for obvious reasons. It's, again, nothing's maintenance free, so there's still going to be some maintenance involved with it, but its resistance to hail, its resistance to fading, it does have color fade guarantees for the Color Plus technology. So James Hardie siding over vinyl are really, really endless as long as that's what fits your needs as a homeowner. You know, as long as the salesman comes out and identifies correctly that this is going to work for your home, for your neighborhood, for your budget, there's not a lot of negatives. Architectural value, I feel like is subjective to what you want. There's not going to be a great structural value when it comes to a residential home. You know, you get on big 3-story walls if you're using 4x8 sheet goods, then yes, you're going to get some added rigidity with a product like James Hardie. But there's very few homes that it would be fair to use that as a selling point on.